Ladies, are you in search of the perfect Valentine's Day gift that your man will never forget? Introducing the Naked Armor Straight Razor Kit, the secret to transforming his morning routine into a luxurious grooming ritual. Picture the excitement on his face as he unwraps this treasure on Valentine's Day.
Something that my husband has been wanting for a really long time. That is a straight razor. It comes in this gorgeous wooden box, and inside it has all the terrifying goodies.
With its sleek design and premium craftsmanship, this complete kit isn't just a gift, it's an experience. The Naked Armor Straight Razor Kit delivers a luxurious, barber quality shave in the comfort of his own home. Don't just take our word for it. Men everywhere are raving about Naked Armor. It's the gift that keeps on giving with every close, irritation-free shave.
It has everything you need, from the razor, the strop, the shave cream, the paste. It's a great kit.
So, ladies, ready to elevate his grooming routine and make this Valentine's Day truly special? The Naked Armor Straight Razor Kit is the answer. Trust me, he'll thank you every morning.